Hello students, Ncert Solutions class 12 physics chapter number 3 current electricity. Question number 3. A part 3 resistors 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm are combined in series. What is the total resistance of the combination? B part, if the combination is connected to a battery of EMF 12 volt and negligible internal resistance, obtain the potential difference across each resistor. Given that 3 resistors R1 is equal to 1 ohm, R2 is equal to 2 ohm, R3 is equal to 3 ohm and connected in series. All 3 resistors connected in series. This is R1, here R2, here R3. Now equivalent resistance चाहिए हमें. We know that in series equivalent resistance Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and this Rs is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 ohm. Now part B में कहता है if the combination is connected to a battery of EMF 12 volt. इस combination को हमने बैटरी से कनेक्ट किया, 12 वोल्ट बैटरी like this. Here this is R1, R2, R3. Now calculate the potential drop across the each resistor. So first of all calculate the current drawn from the battery. This current I is equal to V upon R, this total potential difference applied upon total resistance of the circuit, and V is equal to this 12 and resistance is 6 ohm. This is 2 ampere. Now हमें सभी के across potential drop चाहिए. Let this is V1, this V2 and this V3. Hence the potential difference across resistance R1 is equal to current into resistance. This current is 2, resistance is 1 ohm and this is 2 volt. Similarly V2 is equal to the potential difference across resistance R2, this R2 and this is 2 into 2 is equal to 4 volt, and similarly this V3 is equal to I into R3 is equal to this 2 current into resistance and this is 6 volt. So these are the potential difference across each resistor. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all notification. आशा करता हूँ ये आपको समझ में आया है. थैंक यू.